The streets of Harare are full of brown cough syrup bottles. A sign of the addiction epidemic currently ravaging the country, particularly affecting young people.
Yeah, 2016, I started drinking Bronclear. So per day I could take something like 4 bottles at 400 mils. I wasn't myself, I was someone else, or something else.
The cough syrup, often of the brand Bronclear, contains codeine, an opiate that can be used as a painkiller. It's relatively harmless in small doses, but can be highly addictive. Bronclear also contains alcohol, so when you drink a lot of it, it will make you feel both drunk and high. In large quantities, it can lead to respiratory problems, dangerously low blood pressure, and permanent damage to the brain, heart, and liver. The economy is in ruins. 90% of the population is without formal employment, and families are plagued with poverty and addiction. Back in the 1980s, Zimbabwe was prospering. But former dictator Robert Mugabe ran the country into the ground. He was ousted in November 2017, and in July 2018, the country held its first democratic election in 4 decades. But people are still feeling the consequences of Mugabe's 37-year rule. We drive to the slums of Mufakose, an impoverished area in the outskirts of the capital. Here we meet Phaeton. He works as a music producer.
Welcome to Mufakose. This is my ghetto.
But when he was younger, he lived on the streets and was addicted to Bronclear. Today, he's trying to help his friends, who are all stuck in a vicious cycle of cough syrup dependency.
This is some of my ghetto youths. They don't go to work. As you can see that's what they take. That's Bronclear.
Four years ago, the government outlawed the sale of Bronclear. But the illegal import of the cough syrup, especially from South Africa, has continued, and it's very easy to get your hands on a bottle. The guys are already high. When you drink a lot of cough syrup every day, it can cause your teeth to rot and fall out. So to protect their teeth, they pour the liquid directly into their throats. But thousands of young Zimbabweans are still in the claws of addiction. But to treat the root cause of Zimbabwe's cough syrup abuse, the lack of opportunities for the country's youth, it will take real political change that offers them future prospects.